Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by redeeming the gift card so the funds become usable immediately. Open Amazon, navigate to Accounts and Lists, then Gift Cards, enter the claim code exactly as printed and hit Apply. Once done, make sure to watch the confirmation and check your updated Amazon balance in the same section so you know how much you have available. This step is critical because Amazon uses that balance first at checkout. You want the funds visible before you shop. You proceed to checkout with confidence because the balance was already added. Add items to your cart and go to checkout. Under Payment, Amazon will list your gift card balance as a payment option. Select it so the system applies funds automatically. If the balance doesn't cover the total, make sure to pick an additional card or Amazon Pay option to cover the remainder. This approach avoids manual codes at checkout and ensures partial balances combine seamlessly with another payment method. You complete the purchase by verifying the gift balance was applied, then place the order. Once done, check your order confirmation to see the exact amount charged to the gift balance and any additional payment. If something goes wrong, like an invalid code or wrong account country, first double-check the code characters and that the card matches your Amazon marketplace. If problems persist, contact Amazon support and provide a screenshot of the claim code and purchase. That speeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.